Well, good morning, Internet, and welcome back to the channel. You might recognize this video. Yep, we did put it up yesterday. But what we did was we put it up basically straight out of my GoPro settings onto the computer and then onto YouTube. But what I found out is when I do that on some of these longer videos, they might take 10 hours to upload to YouTube, and I just don't have that time to tie up my internet. So we've had to stop them, when we get up in the morning and start them out the next day again. And so this is kind of our search of making sure we can do this with a minimum size. We can get everything uploaded and we still get the best quality that we can get. Hey, by the way, I wanted to give a shout out to Adventures on E-Bikes. This is one of your favorite boardwalks that we're riding across right here. I don't know if you recognize it or not if you're watching, but I know you said you like the boardwalks, and this is the longest one that we've been on. But anyway, what we're doing here is we're taking this video, and I've silenced it, and I'm doing a voiceover, and we're going to export this video in some different video resolutions and frames per second, and basically just try and see what it is that we need to do to get this to a small enough size but lose the bare minimum of video quality that we can lose. I know even the really high quality videos on YouTube, if they're action, you get some blurriness on there, but I want to get that down to a minimum. And you guys that have been following, I am always looking for something better. So, hey, do me a favor, throw a comment down there. Tell me if you're seeing any difference between this and the original, and maybe the next one we might put up 2 of these that have been doctored up. But don't forget, like and subscribe. And hey, until the next time, stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels turning. One more time, we're out.